What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're back. We're here. Another Daily Duppy. Skore Beezy Daily Duppy. We are here, guys. We are here. You might see a few changes in the intermission and stuff like that, but you don't know. We are growing. We are growing. It's called growth. All right? Why are you shouting? Furthermore, why are you wearing a jacket? Yes, I'm going to answer why I'm wearing a jacket, because I see everyone wearing jackets in their videos. Every artist wearing videos on Daily Duppy. So why I can't wear a jacket too? Me have jacket too? Me have jacket too? Me cold too? Okay. Enough of that. Skore Beezy, we react to today. So, guys, if you're new here, please consider subscribing. You understand? Yes, and please hit that notification bell when they jump a video. You know the whole shebang what every YouTube say. Every YouTuber says that. Alright? So, this is what we're doing today. Alright? So, we're gonna pause every 10 seconds. So, let's go! Let's go! I'm ready! Wait, you see? This is what I'm talking about. Everybody's wearing jackets, so why me can't wear my jacket? Big up yourself, Skore Beezy, me I wear my jacket.
They wanna hook like I've been fishing. I've been in the trenches with a dream, wishing. Living in this dunya make the 𝐁𝐑𝐄𝐊𝐃𝐎𝐖𝐍 different.
They wanna hook like I've been fish. Yo, this.
Know the wrong, but then you listen. Begging me leave the kitchen, begging me that I listen. Telling me I'm distant, talent man you're gifted. I ain't with them other guys cause I don't do that switching.
Basically, he's telling you who he is and tell you what he's about and what he's not gonna do from what he's doing. He's not with the other guys because he's not about switching. He's loyal to his team, he's loyal to one side. One side. Yeah. Let's go.
Brothers been my family just like we in a christening. Listen, man, I do your head to toe, still them out of stressing. Treating all these hoes, but all her cupboards look depressing.
Ooh. Wow. Let's hear that again. Let's go again.
Your head to toe, still them out of stressing. Treating all these hoes, but all her cupboards look depressing.
Treating all these hoes, but all her cupboards look depressing. So what is he saying there? Is he saying that she's prioritizing the wrong thing because she get treated, but she use the money buy clothes and not food because her cupboard look depressing. She hungry. Her belly sinking from the side. That's what I say. Let's go.
You need to teach your little dogs a little lesson. You ain't got your mother. How the fuck you got your brethren?
Alright. Somehow no boy where make money. Hold on, I think my mic too low. Let me turn it down a little bit. So somehow no boy that is making money. You will never do something for your mother, but you will do something for your brethren. Brother, are your mother bring you come here? Are your mother make you... I want to them money, man. Let's go, man.
Tell him this isn't right. Tell him this isn't life. My mother swear I got her. That's word to my fucking life.
Yeah, the man say, him swear so him have him mother to him swear to God. Him swear.
Bird me to see her cry. Bird me to see these vermin. I'm urgent to make it right. Praying for all repentance is burning me up inside. She told me stop the silliness, believe in all the hype.
Basically, his mother tells him to be humble. His mother seems like him #1 supporter. He's doing everything he's doing for his mother. Everything he might do for his mother. You see me? So, basically, he might tell you how precious his mother is to him. Real dog, real D, real G.
I landed in the cage and she rolled me my first kite. Held it from bird's eye. I shed a few tears, kite hurt me, it's no lie.
So, is kite a letter? Because him says she write him the first kite. One time, him land at prison. So, is kite meaning letter in prison terms, right? Alright. So, him get the letter and him hold it up and him read it. Take off the glasses, man. You can't see. Him get the letter and him hold it up and read it. Okay.
Stressing like, listen son, you grew up from the youngest. Couldn't hold the tears if I come view you in the dungeon. Listen loud and clear, should've never come to London.
Listen loud and clear, you should've never come to London. Sorry for your
Listen loud and clear, you need to grow up from a young'un. Turned into a trapper, all she wanted was a doctor.
Alright. So what your parents wanted for you, you turn it to be the opposite. You're on the opposite scale of things. Your mother wanted you to be a doctor, but you was a trapper. He's a trapper, bro.
How you think I turned my fucking tuna into lobster? Yeah, I've been slanging on the strizzy with the mobsters. I'm with Deuce, big arms, he like a monster.
Oh, you think me turn me tuna into lobster? Basically, I'ma explain him growth in a simple terms. You see me? Him turn Jamaican, I would say, him make him Anton fashion. You turn him and make it turn fashion. So what he did there is flip. You understand? Yeah.
Slanging off for 2 likers. I used to do 5ers. How you think I turned my dusties into new designers?
Slanging off for 2 likers. So basically, him have 2 chop phone. And you think basically him change him appearance, him change him look, him turn him all dusty shoes into some brand new chain.
Free Meech, free Capo, free all the lifers. Man are puppets, they don't ever read between the wires. I'm kinda twisted, read between the lines.
Yo, this guy lyrics is deep, you know. His lyrics is deep, and if you're not careful, it will go over a lot of your head. Skore Beezy, bring up your damn self, my G. If you're not careful, it will go over your head in a split second.
I put my passion to the music, feelings to the side. Do this when I'm nice, get some juice up in the 5. Gloves and no trace on, and do this on the ride.
Yo. His wordplay is out of this world. His wordplay is very impressive. I like it.
I don't know they wasn't ready. I told him I've been dreaming of them Rarries and them Bentley. I know they wasn't ready. I told him I've been dreaming of them Rarries and them Bentley.
Tell you, he's been dreaming of the Rarries and the Bentley, the Ferraris and the Bentley. Him have high dreams and high hopes. But if you put your mind to it, my G, you can do it. So
I died, I knew I had it waist deep. Loyalty is everything, that's how a brother's raised. Be the same G, I would never let him change me. I was on that stuff before I rapped, it never made me.
Brother die. R.I.P. to your brother. Me have a brother with dead as well, so me know the shrips. Be a bad, me know the shrips.
Back when I was waving danners, Bally and a hammer on me. Man was acting gassed, more than just the matters on me. Climbing.
Bally, what on? Bally and a hammer is an it mean a shooter, right? Cause hammer physically hammer, no, you mean a shooter, my G, right? That you mean, right? Talk it truth. That you mean, right? Let's go.
Up that ladder, music's been a battle for me. Now my name's all on their lips just like a batter's on me. A cold winter, but I swear it's getting ice cold.
It's cold winter, but I swear it's getting ice cold. Him chain, bad to you know, like him chain.
My brother Kipper died, I swear it's getting fucked on road. Now I can't even touch my bro. It runs deep in my emotions and it touched my soul.
Yo, me feel a part there. Him brother dead. It mad on the street. So I must say right now I can't physically touch him brother, but deep down just know say brother is there with you in spirit. You see me, G? Yeah, keep your head up, my fam. Keep doing it for them.
Got the phone call, swear when I broke my phone. Emotions like touch and go. The emotions like touch and go.
Yeah, like when you get certain call, especially certain time in some early hours in the morning when you get certain call, you know say it's not a nice call, you know. You know there's something wrong somewhere in the dog. You know that in a brother. You see me? No joke, you know.
And the emotions like touch and go. Table with some millionaires, the room I wanna be in. Festivals on festivals like I'm Caribbean. I'm up early like a Brekkie and a Rosie Lee.
Festival and festival like a Caribbean. You know what festival is? Festival is what Jamaican. There's 2 types of festival, by the way. Festival where you go and play and rare and enjoy yourself. But there's a festival that you eat. Fried dumpling, but with sugar in it. That's festival. Jamaican also call that festival. You see me? So we get that on the street side and where people are, you know, and the food shop and things. Festival.
Little nigga, what you know about a load of B? I thought I never meant this. Told them and I did the wing already, call me Memphis.
He done the wing already, call him Memphis. Okay.
Money man relentless. Taking pictures in the celly, man, we posted that was senseless. And everybody's trapping, don't believe a man, a 2 lie.
Everybody's trapping, don't believe a man, a 2 lie.
Pockets never chunky, man are looking too fly. 016 we went Dubai and splashed 20k with no new guys.
2016, him and the crew got Dubai and splashed 20k with a party in drinking, hotel, whatever, just living a good life. And it was it was with no new guys. He he was doing it with his day one. That is what he's telling you. Next track. Next track. Let's go.
Man are sleeping on me, feeling like night nurse. Rappers say they go hard, all I hear is like works.
Oh, they reading me a body not daddy. Man are sleeping on me, feeling like night nurse. Night nurse is what you take when time you have flu. Night nurse work for me. Try it out if you haven't tried it yet. Big up night nurse. I'm gonna big up night nurse first. Go night nurse. You make me sleep and late for work how many days, how many mornings. Big up yourself, night nurse, but I don't like you.
School shooter, they call me 𝐁𝐑𝐄𝐊𝐃. Rapping on a drill, do the pain and keep it diverse. And I don't fight around with hype words.
He's just transformed into a Super Saiyan, bro. He just
Rapping on a drill, do the pain and keep it diverse. And I don't fight around with hype words. You're Bruce Willis, but you die hard, you die first.
Brother, man, I tell you, listen, you are not Bruce Willis. Not because you think you will die hard. Boy, you will die first. You will die first. You will go on the earth. I want to tell you what. Word play, I like
got
it.
a like, I run a bundle, doing bloody work. Get a brick, pulse our bumble with the fucking birds.
Him got back to him like again. Guys, he's talented. He's talented. Big him up. Skore Beezy, the first man react to one of your song them. Big up.
Listen to them, man, naming all their works. What's your angle? I ain't wrestling, ain't fucking Kurt. I ain't scrapping.
Hold on, the man. Hold on, the man. Hold on, the man. What him say, what's that? What him say? What him say,
With these man, naming all their works. What's your angle? I ain't wrestling, ain't fucking Kurt.
Oh, Kurt Angle. Okay, Kurt Angle. I'm wrestling. WWE.
Ain't scrapping with these nines, I'm putting man in church. How you pulling up and shouting, but your boys on shirts?
Oh, yeah, pull up on shirt and I'll get boisterous and I get loud. Who is that on your t-shirt? One of your dead friend them. Wanna not learn. Wanna not learning. Remember, say bridging dead already just for the same thing, you know. I have to come. You're not bad. I be a dead friend you have. You're not bad. Yo, let's go.
Spin around ain't earth. Spin around is purge. I just ride adrenaline cause I don't ride on perks. In this 4-door truck, I might mount the curb.
Man, I tell you, say, even if you're up on the sidewalk, I'm riding around on adrenaline. So just know, say, yo, listen. Anyway, me see a brother I could have him on the sidewalk is a 4-door truck me I drive, me can go up there, so. Off-road. Let's go.
And with this 5 on me, I'm ducking from the highest bird. Rappers say they really with it. Time will only find out. I sign in, they sign out. My blinds in, their blinds out.
Ooh. Ooh. Boy.
Rappers say they really with it. Time will only find out. I sign in, they sign out. My blinds in, their blinds out.
So basically, I see some rappers say them really. Only time will tell. Only time will tell. Cause when time him signing them sign out. Like, only no one.
Won't pull a Sam, pick the odds down, I climb out. Psh, ain't too see when I slide out. Whistle on the whoosh, make you whisper when you time out.
Yo, big up the editors. Me have to keep bigging up the editors them in a dog. Me have to keep bigging up the editors them. They wanna do a great job. Wanna do a great friggin' job, dog. No,
come dine with me, never come there to ride out. Shit will get Jurassic like a dinosaur, they die out.
Shit we get Jurassic like a dinosaur and then die out. Jurassic Park, dinosaur. Shit we get yo, bomba, dog.
Old school, get the job done and fly out. Done it in a Prius, done it in a Seat. Done it on a R6, done it in a Fiat.
Basically, man, I tell you, listen, I'm out here, I'm unpredictable. Me do it in everything. Me do it on bike, and me do it in a car.
Pull up and dip like Cameron, not Diaz. Blue lights, shit's all techie like Ziyech.
Pull up and dip like Cameron, not Diaz. Yeah, dog. Yo, he's going in.
Sweatbox for 3 years, couldn't pick my ride. Came home recalled in 3 weeks, what a guy. I never been a witness, never came to testify.
Get the part there. Never been a witness. Look who's up on the screen. Look right there. Never been a witness. Never testify. Real to the streets. Street code, street law.
I couldn't dash the heavy in the stream, Spotify. I got dreams, they didn't die. I got rid of evil eye. I scream it all the time. Free up all the guys.
Free up all of the guys who's incarcerated. Free up all of the G them. Free up all of the thugs them.
Got Bonnie, I got Clyde. Why they questioning my drive? My honor and my pride, I leave your yard on CSI. Now I do this for the Marlies, that's my brothers, not my dogs.
Big up the Somalians them with the on the channel to watch, you know. Big up on yourself, you know. Basically, man tell us, say, yo, when time him pull up by your ends, him gonna leave the crime scene for CSI. CSI. Yeah, you get the grimy.
Came from poverty, but now we're shooting for the stars. My brother looking life if you get guilty for the charge. Don't question me about lyrics, cause I'll bench a man with bars.
Whew. No question me about lyrics. Me bench a boy with bars. Me bench him, go sit down over there, so. Listen to bars. Welcome to the bar school. Oh, I'm here, bar fool. Yo, that was sick. Me enjoy that. Me enjoy the reaction there. Me enjoy the reaction there. Guys, if you enjoy the reaction also, please leave a like. Also, share it to your friend, to their friend, to the mad Jamaicans with lots of energy. Rain jacket in summer is here. So me have a jacket on and me have my face underneath it. That don't make no sense still, but you know I think already. So guys, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright? Peace.